Are you at the stage of your life where you're like ready to retire? Or maybe you're wanting a career change, you want to do something else, but you're just kind of not sure what that something else is. I guarantee you probably already been looking on the internet, whether it was LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. You're looking and you're looking and you're looking, but you haven't really landed on the place that you feel comfortable with. Well, I want to share something with you that might change all that. I am a 52-year-old grandma, a woman of God, a digital entrepreneur. I used to own restaurants for 15 years here in Atlanta, and that life just drained me to no end. So, like you, I was looking for a way to bring in some extra income, but I also wanted to be at home. I didn't want to subscribe to the hustle and grind anymore. I needed time to relax and spend time with my granddaughter. So I discovered something called digital marketing. Digital marketing is a skill that anybody can learn. You're not too old, and it's not too late for you to learn as well. I learned it 2 years ago, so I'm on here and I want to teach you. So that's what this video is all about, teaching you a way to make online income. We should be stacking our income at this stage of the game, right? So that we can retire early and not have to worry about a thing. We can travel, we can spend time with our grandkids, we can start the trust fund. All of these things are important to us, Gen X. And so I want to teach you how to lean into digital marketing, learn the skills of social selling so you can create your own digital products, sell online, and make lots of income. This is how it works. Digital marketing is the skill of learning how to social sell, right? It's the skill of learning how to press record and do YouTube videos, TikTok videos, posting those, going live. All of this is a skill that you must learn. In 2026, there's no reason why on this God-green earth you don't post videos or share information about what you know. So I promise you, ladies, once you learn the skills of digital marketing, everything is gravy train. That's number one. Number two, I want to share with you that in my opinion, through my travels of doing this for the past 2.5 years, what I've discovered is this: the way that we are going to earn our income online, the best way and the fastest way for us, Gen X, is to sell a digital product that we know everything about. Hold on, let me explain that to you. So for those of you who are in the room and you don't even know what a digital product is, girl, let me tell you, it is the bee's knees. It's the best thing since sliced bread. A digital product is a digital download. It lives on the internet. It is something that someone can click and order from you, and it comes to them right away as a PDF, as a checklist, as a mini course, as templates, journals, ebooks, e-guides. Those are things that are all considered digital products. And so what people are doing in a very fascinating way, people are creating digital products based around their expertise and their knowledge. See, Gen X, we are the exact people to be making money online because we have 10, 20, 30 years of knowledge in an industry, right? So the thing that we are doing for our bosses in our 9 to 5, we should be taking those skills, those problem-solving skills, and creating a digital product around that teaches people everything that we know. That can consist of a consulting industry business where you're doing coaching virtually, Zoom calls, okay? You can actually create a mini course where it's a training that's pre-recorded that you can do from your kitchen on a day off from work or on a Saturday when you have some time. You create the framework. You build out a mini course that's going to teach people everything that you know. And you're going to charge for it. You're going to charge for it. You can also create templates, checklists, whatever your ideal customer needs, and it's what you know, you're going to put it into a digital product and make money. It is the most refreshing and rewarding way to make money. And let me tell you why I lean into this so hard. Number one, Gen X, we are tired. We are in the soft era of our lives, right? We don't want to feel as if there's another thing on our to-do list. We're already juggling a lot of balls. So for you, if you are someone that's like, I'm ready to move on to something else, I'm ready to retire, then this is something honestly that you need to be leaning into. because it's not super laborious. It requires effort. I don't want you to think that it doesn't require any effort. As a matter of fact, I put in at least 2 to 3 hours every single day in my online business to coach people, to perfect my products, to promote my products, because all of those things are really important when you start an online business. I can go into all the details on how to create a digital product, how to price it. Let me know if that's something that you're interested in seeing. But I just want to give you base level information about this industry, because digital marketing is a $1 trillion per day industry. It may be more than that by the time you watch this video. But right now in 2026, it's a $1 trillion per day industry. It just makes sense for you to learn this skill. You have to learn the skill of digital marketing, and creating your own digital products from scratch is where you're going to want to land. Because here's the deal. When you have your own digital product, you create that product one time. You make 100% profit, and you earn sales over and over and over again from total strangers in the middle of the night. Because this is sleep money. This is money that you get when you're on vacation walking your dog on the treadmill. It's about positioning, making sure you have the right product that solves the right problem for the right people. And so all you need to do is learn how to do it. For me, I didn't know any of this at all. I started as a complete and total beginner in 2024. I purchased a digital course that actually gave me the autonomy to actually watch videos and modules and from the coaches and get on workshops and things like that from my job, from home. And I just began to learn, and I would take notes, and then I would execute on the things that I've learned. To be perfectly honest, if you just took a couple of hours a day to learn the skills of digital marketing, in 5 days or less, you will be up and running and starting your online business. It is actually simpler than you think. So one of the things that I want to encourage you to do, if you are in a space where you are feeling a little bit overwhelmed, you may be struggling financially, or maybe you're just someone that want to take more vacations. You like to hang out with the girls. You need a slush fund. You want that slush fund without having to get a second job. Digital marketing is something that you want to consider a skill you want to acquire, and you want to start an online business based around the skill set that you already have, okay? Creating a digital product is the first step. The second step in this process is to create and upload your digital product to your digital store. Now, this is the place where people are going to buy your product, right? So you got to have all of this set up, and this is the place where people are going to pay you. Now, if you're thinking, you're probably like, girl, bye. I cannot do this. I am not a techie. You don't have to be. It doesn't require tech skills. It doesn't require you to be a social media influencer. You don't need a whole bunch of subscribers or followers. You just need to get started. You need to learn how to do this thing. By creating a digital store, you don't have to design web pages. You don't have to hire extra people to do it. Everything is drag and drop. Everything is copy, cut, and paste. You can do that, right? Then you can create your own landing page, okay? Here's an example of a landing page that I have. It's super simple. I may have put that together in 20 minutes. I have no tech skills at all right? So I just want you to understand that this is possible. Don't talk yourself out of your blessing. Listen, just get your hands on a course that will literally teach you everything you need to know step by step at your leisure. The third piece of this, right, if you want to have a successful online business that's going to pay you daily sales, okay, you need to promote. I know promoting is something that feels cringy. You don't want to show up on the internet, Gen X. You're like, y'all want to see my dog? My dog is like barking. Come here, Biggie. What's the matter? Come here. Yeah. He wants to get in the video too. I'm going to put him right there. But promotion is vital to your online business. You have to promote your digital product, or else how's the world going to know about it? But there's so many ways to promote your digital product. For my queens in the room that are like shy, introvert, and pretty much don't want people in your business, this is how you can promote. You can do your promotions faceless. You don't have to show your face like I'm doing. There's so many different ways that you can do that on Pinterest, on Etsy. You can create theme pages. You can send an email. You can send a text message. These are all faceless ways to actually get your product out there, communicating with people. The promotion part you can't skip, but you don't have to show your face in order to promote your product. Hopefully that makes sense. This is just a really quick and easy overview of what is possible, right? What could you be doing in the online space? And what I highly recommend, guys, is that you start to activate now while you're still working your full-time job, right? I started in 2024, and it was in 2025, April to be exact, where I sold my business of 15 years and decided I was going to be at the house. I decided that being at home with the people that I love, spending the rest of my life doing all the things that I didn't get to do in the first 50 years of my life, I'm going to do right now. And I knew I had to be realistic. I still needed to help pay the bills and do all the things. So I needed to figure out a way to bring in income. So starting an online business based around my skill sets and abilities was the absolute best thing I could have ever done for myself and my family. So I want to say this. If you have been looking for a way to stack your income, make extra money without getting a second job, you're ready to retire, you want to do something else, sis, I promise you, if you just learn the skills of digital marketing, you cannot go wrong. I want to share with you a course that's taught me everything I know and then some. It's called Digital Wealth Academy, DWA. It's an online one-stop shop course that will teach you how to bring in 19 streams of income. There are about 60 or more training videos inside where you can go in there, poke around, see what interests you. It may be UGC, TikTok Shop. You want to do drop shipping, print on demand. Maybe you want to create your own digital product like I did. You have the autonomy to go through these courses anytime you want, log in and learn. It is such a refreshing way to learn. And can I say this? This is one of the things I absolutely love. This program, DWA, the videos are very short and sweet. They get right to the point. They give you strategies that are easy for you and I to understand. And it's just a way to make extra income. Not only that, not only are you learning the 19 streams of income, but the program itself is available to you to sell. You can sell the whole entire academy yourself and earn 85% commission. That's about $422 per sale. It is a beautiful way to earn income. So whether you want to create your own digital product from scratch, you want to become an affiliate marketer selling other people's stuff and making commissions from that, or you can resell the Digital Wealth Academy program and earn 85%. So either way you slice it, sis, you are in it to win it. It just makes sense for you to get a hold of this program and start learning today. I hope all of this makes sense. I hope this was valuable information to you. I try to come on and break it down as simply as I can, because one thing about it, two things for sure, I've realized that there's so many Gen Zs and millennials in this industry making 20 and 30, 40, 50K a month, but yet still Gen X, we are still driving into work, tired, migraine, aggravated, okay, going to a job that no longer serves us and making pennies of the dollar. Ain't nobody got time for that. So here's the deal. Trust me when I say starting an online business is where you want to begin. If you want some information about my DWA program, I will drop it in the comments so you can just go ahead and click on the link and go ahead and take a look, see what's good, and then you can send me a message and I will respond to all of my messages, and so we can connect, because I want more than anything else for Gen X to get into this thing and take over, period. I hope this helps somebody today. God bless you and your family, and may everything you touch succeed. Until next time, I'll see you later.